Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to go over two settings in regards to your mouse cursor. One being how to maximize the size of your mouse cursor, and the second being how to change the color of your mouse cursor. Before I begin, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, comment down below on what your favorite color is. Maybe this will help you change the cursor to your favorite color, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So, these two settings, why would anyone want to change the size of their cursor and why would they want to change the color? First being the size. This video will help anybody who has a Windows 10 computer, but I think it would help or benefit those who are visually impaired the most, only because they can change the size and they can make it bigger. And in regards to the color, if people are colorblind, changing the colors would definitely be helpful. So let's just jump right into it, and I can show you guys on how to do this. Maybe you can show someone who has vision issues on how to do this, just so I can get my video out there and definitely help. So let's do this. Let's jump into the Windows Start button down here. I want you to click on Settings, the Settings gear. From here, the Windows settings come up. I want you to follow my mouse and click on Ease of Access. Alright, so right here we have Ease of Access. And the Vision drop-down menu here. I want you to click on Cursor and Pointer. Second one down. Alright, so this is what we came here to see. Change pointer size and color. Here we go, change pointer size. Right now it's on the default size, which I would assume is small. If you hold this little toggle in and slide it to the right, it makes your mouse super large. Now you can either have it big, you can have it small, you can have it somewhere in the middle. You can mess with the setting, see what best fits your needs. Maybe someone needs it this big, which is totally fine. And many of you are comfortable with the default size, which is also fine. But that's how you change the size of your pointer. Down here we have change pointer color. So right now mine's on white. If you click on the middle one, which is black, it turns the mouse pointer black. This third one is black and white almost. So some things you put your mouse on, it's black. Some things you put it on, it's white. It's very unique, but I prefer one of these two, but you may like this one. So I'm just going to put mine on white for now. Now, here's what I was talking about, the color wheel, the good old color wheel. If you click on that, you have suggested pointer colors, and you can just pick whatever color you want that they recommend, or you could do pick a custom pointer color, and this color wall comes up, color square, and you can just kind of cycle through and choose what color you like. I'm going to go with this green, and just hit done when you're finished. Alright, so a couple other things here. We have make the cursor easier to see when typing. Say if you're in a Word document, you can actually change the thickness of what you're typing. So right now it's at 1. If I move this to, let's say, 20, and I'm going to just open up a Word document. Okay, so see how the cursor is like a square? Your cursor is no longer just a single line that's flashing. It's a square because I had it maximized all the way up to the most thickness. So if I drop this down to maybe a 10, like so, it makes the cursor a thinner square. So instead of having the default thin cursor, you can change the cursor size. You can have it big, you can have it small, whatever fits your needs. Okay, let's jump back into here. and change touch feedback. Show visual feedback around touch points when I touch the screen. That's for if you have a touch screen and you touch it, it'll show almost like a feedback that you're pressing it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you change the size of your cursor and change the color of your mouse cursor as well. So, like the video. I hope it helped. Please show this to as many people as you can, especially those who are visually impaired. I think this will be a great tool to know and how to do. Like the video, comment below on what your favorite color is, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, guys. I appreciate all the support you've been giving me. I appreciate all my subscribers, and yeah, so I will see you on the next video.